Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about financial planning for young adults in 2023. Now, it's never too early to start thinking about your financial future, and by taking some simple steps now, you can set yourself up for a more secure and prosperous life down the road. Part 1, creating a budget. So the first step in financial planning is to create a budget. Now, this means tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. And here are some tips for creating a budget. Use a budgeting app or a spreadsheet or even a Notion template like my Ultimate Finance Tracker, and I'll be leaving a link in the description down below to track your income and your expenses and even more. Be realistic about your expenses and don't forget to account for unexpected costs. Look for ways to cut back on non-essential expenses such as dining out or even subscriptions. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investing. Part 2, building an emergency fund. Now, an emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or a medical bill. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt or relying on credit cards. And here are some tips for building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small and build up your fund over time. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account so you're not tempted to spend it. Part 3, investing for the future. Now, investing is a key part of financial planning as it allows your money to grow over time. Here are some tips for investing as a young adult. Start early, even if you can only invest a small amount. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Stay invested for the long term and avoid trying to time the market. Part 4, planning for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Here are some tips to get started. Take advantage of any employer-sponsored retirement plans such as a 401k. Consider opening an IRA or Roth IRA to save for retirement. Aim to save at least 10 to 15% of your income for retirement and adjust your investments over time as you get closer to that retirement age. Don't wait on financial planning. Start now. I'll be leaving a link to my Notion template down below. I've been using this Notion Ultimate Finance Tracker template for my main channel, MTG Productions, and it has been such a huge help. Don't forget to check it out. Now remember, by taking some simple steps now, you can build a more secure and prosperous future for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice, as well as productivity videos and videos based on Notion templates. Take care.